everyone, welcome back to Chunky Art, your go-to destination for art and craft. And today we will be making a clown nose using a balloon, some papers and colors. So let's check it out.
To make the clown nose, we need a newspaper which we'll be cutting into small pieces, some soft white paper. It should be untextured for the outermost layer, a balloon to get the desired shape of the nose, a Fevicol, it can be any type of glue, need not be Fevicol, and some paint and paintbrush to color the nose, and obviously a pair of scissors. I have diluted the Fevicol a bit, and I have also made small pieces of the newspaper like this, and I have made the shape of the nose with this balloon, the desired shape of the nose. And now I simply have to coat a thin layer of glue and paste the paper to cover the entire balloon. That is, when 2 to 3 layers of newspaper has been applied, now it's time to apply the white layer on this, the white paper layer on this. Covered the nose with a uniform white layer. Now it's time for this to dry. To quicken the process, you can use a hair dryer, or you can just leave it overnight. I will try a hair dryer and let's see how much time it takes. Okay, so after using the hair dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, the nose is almost dry, and now I will color this nose. So I'll be using a red color to paint the nose, and this is the paintbrush that I'll be using. So the nose is fully painted red, and I'll be using the hair dryer to dry it again. Alright, so 5 minutes of blow drying, and the paint has almost dried up, and now it's time to get the balloon out of the nose. So to do that, take your scissors and slowly cut the balloon so that, and now it's time to give this a nice circular cut. And there you have a bright red clown nose.
So that was easy, isn't it? Yes, you noticed it. You can easily attach this nose if you're wearing glasses, or you can also attach a string around it and use it as a prop for your next costume party. So, for more such fun and creative activities, keep watching Chunky Art, and till then, stay colorful.